Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new gadget for all the drone enthusiasts out there, especially if you're just starting out. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about the Foldable Drone 1080p, a beginner-friendly drone that's packed with features to make your first flying experience enjoyable and memorable. This drone is designed specifically for those who are new to the world of drones, ensuring that flying is both simple and fun. First off, one of the standout features of this drone is its upgraded altitude hold function. This feature allows the drone to hover stably at a fixed height, which is particularly helpful for beginners who might find it challenging to control altitude while learning the ropes. It provides that extra layer of stability, letting you focus more on piloting and less on worrying about keeping it in the air. Next, let's talk about the camera. The foldable drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera, which means you'll be capturing high-quality aerial photos and videos that are sure to impress. Whether you want to film your outdoor adventures or simply capture stunning landscapes from above, this drone has you covered. The adjustable angle camera makes it easier to get the perfect shot, and with the RedriFly app, you can watch live video feed and control the drone from a distance, adding a whole new dimension to your flying experience. What makes this drone particularly user-friendly are its various features designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots. You can explore waypoint flying, where you simply set a path for the drone to follow, or engage in gesture selfies, allowing you to take pictures with a simple hand movement. The 360 degrees flips and stunts add an element of thrill, while the 3 speed modes give you the flexibility to choose your flying pace. With headless mode, you don't have to worry about the drone's orientation, making it easier to navigate. Plus, the one-button takeoff and landing makes starting and ending your flight a breeze. Now, you might be wondering who this drone is suitable for. Honestly, it's perfect for anyone looking to enter the world of drone flying. Whether you're an absolute beginner or have some experience under your belt, this drone is designed to make the learning curve much smoother. It's also a great gift for friends or family members who have shown an interest in drones but haven't made the leap yet. In terms of practical use cases, this drone is versatile enough for various activities. Use it for outdoor photography, capturing stunning views of nature or memorable moments at gatherings. You could even use it for fun family activities in an open field, or simply to explore your surroundings from a new perspective. Additionally, with 2 rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy extended flight times of 20 to 25 minutes, allowing you to make the most out of each session. Safety is always a concern when flying drones, and this model takes that into account with features like propeller guards and overcurrent protection. The low-power alarm and emergency stop functions ensure that you can fly confidently, knowing that you have measures in place to prevent mishaps. In conclusion, the Foldable Drone 1080p is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their drone flying journey. Its combination of user-friendly features, high-quality camera, and safety measures make it a fantastic option for beginners. Thanks for watching. If this video